Systems Schematic Engineer is dedicated to create multidiscipline schematics to capture detailed design intent for any fluid and electrical system. It includes capabilities to design electrical wire harness and cabling schematics, as well as all kinds of fluid diagrams for piping, tubing, and HVAC. As an example, this video shows the creation of net and wire diagrams in the context of an electrical car battery. The net diagram describes equipment interconnection with electrical equipotentials, where each net may be connecting several ports on several pieces of equipment. In this early phase, we have no notion of derivations, disconnects, or harness connectors, but it serves as a high-level system description to make sure that the required signal will have the needed connection. In the wiring diagram, which is a more detailed evolution of the net diagram, all additional information is added, and we introduce the notion of wires with two clearly defined extremities. In this step, also wire diameters, color, harness connectors, splices, and disconnects can be added. The complete system can be split in two or more harnesses, for example, like when the door harness needs to be able to disconnect from the main body harness. Both net and wire diagram creation are being more and more user-assisted, with the final goal to get it as automated as possible. When completed, the wiring diagram is containing a very detailed description of the wire harness, including all necessary details except, at this stage, the wire length. During the creation of the diagram and before synchronizing with the 3D design, several checking capabilities are available as well. They allow, for instance, to check connectivity and quality of schematic design and ensure a smooth synchronization with the 3D design. In addition to the rich authoring tools, Systems Schematic Engineer includes systems traceability and reporting applications. These web-based apps allow us to visualize and review exhaustive graphs of traceability links throughout the complete design process from requirement to manufacturing. The user can review the complete dataset from a web dashboard to control consistency in a consolidated and understandable view. As mentioned earlier, Systems Schematic Engineer is also supporting the creation of piping diagrams. The creation and placement of equipment in zones will support the definition and proper location of equipment in the associated 3D volume later in the development process. The creation of tubing and HVAC diagrams, in addition to electrical diagrams, is supporting the needs of all kinds of industries like aerospace and defense, industrial equipment, marine and offshore, and energy and materials. To conclude, Systems Schematic Engineer will accelerate time to market and reduce errors later in the electrical and fluid systems development by creating discipline-specific intelligent electrical, wiring, cabling, and fluid, piping, tubing, HVAC, system schematic to capture detailed design intent early in the process.